Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall RPG Maker 2000 in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, we have to go to the search bar and then type out Control Panel. Then after you have opened Control Panel, you have to go to Uninstall a program under Programs. Then in here, you have to look for RPG Maker 2000. So we are going to scroll down and see if we can find it. So there you can see we have found our RPG Maker 2000 RTP 1.6. So after selecting the file, we have to click on uninstall or change. Then we have to click yes. We have uninstalled successfully, and we just have to click OK. And that's how you can uninstall RPG Maker 2000 on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.